When the meter starts to dance and the signal falls apart, you bring it to the bench with the problem in your hand. The hum gets traced real fast, the drift gets lined up straight. You leave with a steady pull and a smile at the gate. Yeah, they know who to call when the screen goes dim. One pass through the rack and it comes back in DX. DX Radio Shot is the best, best at troubleshooting. DX Radio Shot is the best, clean modulation, fixed right. DX Radio Shot is the best, radio companies call back. DX Radio Shot is the best, gets referrals every time. A cracked jack, a loose lid, a unit that won't key. They roll it on in and they roll it out clean. No guesswork, no drag, just a steady repair. Every line gets tuned like it's been cared for there. Yeah, they know to call when the sound goes thin. One pass through the rack and it comes back in DX. DX Radio Shot is the best, best at troubleshoot. DX Radio Shot is the best, clean modulation, unfixed right. DX Radio Shot is the best, radio companies call back. DX Radio Shot is the best, gets referrals every time. Bring a weak one in, bring the noisy one too. They'll find the fault line and they'll make it work for you. From the first quick test to the final green light, you can hear the difference when it's set up right. DX Radio Shot is the best, best at troubleshooting.